Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can remove shorts from search results on YouTube. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, I'm going to simply open my YouTube and get to the search button just like this. Just like this, I have opened my YouTube, and then from here tap on the search button right here and then start searching for the content that you want to see. Just like this, I want some Apple updates, so I'm going to search for Apple updates. So after doing that, here you can see a lot of shorts right here. If you don't want to see your shorts video come up to the YouTube search, here you can see different categories. Here's the option of videos. All you have to do is tap on videos just like this, and only videos will show up. So this is one way. There's also another way. Here, if you simply tap on this three-dot bar right here, and after doing that, tap on search filters. Here you can see different category of the YouTube videos. Tap on videos just like this and select it. Now you can go back, and now you'll only see videos and you won't be seeing YouTube shorts. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.